Hello, everyone. Today we're going to look at the world of web browsers. So basically, a web browser is more than just a tool. It's your gateway to the internet. It allows you to access a plethora of information ranging from text and images to videos from across the globe. Uh, it's very fascinating how these web browsers have become an integral part of our daily lives. So let's look at like a brief history of web browsers. Not too long ago, the primary use of the internet was to send emails. Fast forward to today, now web browsers have revolutionized. Uh, we can pretty much do everything from simple email communications to comprehensive information access tools. So most of you use web browsers, but uh, not that many people understand the inner workings of web browsers. We're gonna briefly touch the surface today. So how does a web browser work? So web browser basically functions as a bridge, retrieving information from different part of the web and displaying it on your device. This process involves the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or known as HTTP, which is a foundational technology that dictates how data is transmitted across the web. As we learn more about the front end and the back end web, we're going to communicate using HTTP, and we'll cover more. HTML and rendering engines. So at the heart of web browser is the hypertext markup language, commonly known as HTML. So this language structures the web content that we see. So our web browser's rendering engine then reads this HTML code, and after reading the HTML code, it translates into the web pages that we interact with on our screens. Hyperlinks and URLs. So basically hyperlinks are the connecting threads of the web, allows you to navigate from one page to another. Each web page, image, or video has a unique address known as a URL, which guides the browser to the correct location on the web. Cookies. Cookies for web browsers, they play a crucial role in web experience. These are really small files that are stored on your computer. And what usually happen is uh, your preferences and login details for various websites are stored. They can be useful as uh, web developer, well, for web developers, but uh, they can often be overused or misused. So to track users' browsing behavior for advertising purposes. Privacy in web browsers, more and more these days, privacy, it became a major concern in today's digital age. Most web browsers offer private browsing modes. Some browsers call it as incognito or in private. However, it's a common misconception that these settings completely protect your identity and browsing history from external parties. In reality, they mostly keep your browsing history private from other users of the same computer. yeah, keep that in mind. And one of the great features of modern web browsers is their customizability through extensions and add-ons. So you can enhance your browser's functionality from adding new features to installing language dictionaries or changing visual themes. Choosing the right browser. So with so many browsers available, how do you choose the right one? Um, you It can be about speed and ease of use, or it can be about how each browser aligns with your personal needs. It could be privacy, customization, or user control. That's it for this recording. Thank you.